Hi there, my name is Thomas and I'm here from Microsoft to do a little unboxing of the Surface Book 3 for you guys. First, let's have a look at what version of the Surface Book 3 that I have received. So this is the 15-inch Surface Book 3 with Intel 10th Gen i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage, and an NVIDIA GeForce 1660 Ti with 6 gigabytes of RAM as well. Cool thing to know with the 15-inch Surface Book 3 is that even with all these specs, it still weighs under 2 kilos. Now let's have a look inside the box. So what you get in the box is, of course, you get the Surface Book itself. You also get this power brick, quite powerful with 127 watts. And on top of that, you get some small papers, some short little manuals and stuff otherwise for you to read. So before opening this one up, let's have a look at what you actually get with the Surface Book 3 when it comes to connections. So on your right side, you have the Surface Connect, so you can connect your Surface charger. It connects magnetically, or you can add a Surface docking station. You also have USB Type-C, so you also have an option of using a docking station with Type-C if you want. And on the other side, you have two full-size USB Type-A ports, so it works with all your existing stuff like memory drives and stuff like that. It also has a full-size SD card reader. So let's have a look at the inside of the Surface Book. One of the things that makes the Surface Book 3 really unique compared to other PCs out there is there's a little button up in the top right corner, right next to delete. Press that and hold it for just a few seconds, and then you actually have the option of detaching the screen in a really simple and easy way. So once you've got it detached from this one, you can use this as a tablet, because the cool thing about the Surface Book 3 is that up here you have a full-fledged computer. You have batteries, you have the processor, you have your RAM, you have your storage to save everything else, and you have that massive screen, so it's really good for using your pen on it or using for touch. But what's in the base then? Well, in the base here, you of course get your connectors, as we talked about, but you also get a massively big battery here, and you get the graphics card built into this base. So connecting these two things together gives you up to 17 hours of battery. So the Surface Book 3 comes in two different sizes. It comes in the 15-inch, which I have right here, but it also comes in a 13.5-inch. Both of the Surface Book 3s has a 3:2 aspect ratio, meaning that the screen is a bit higher than what you normally see on PCs like this. So you get an even higher screen size, so you can be even more productive when working in PowerPoint or any of the Microsoft 365 Office apps. The screen here is bright, colorful, and calibrated from the factory. On the Surface Book 3, you get a camera which has Windows Hello, meaning you can log in by using just your face. And you also get a 1080p camera for if you're doing any kind of online conferencing calls on Teams or anything like that. One of the cool things about the Surface Book is this full-size keyboard with really nice travel. It is a really great typing experience that you get with this keyboard as well. And a good sized trackpad smack in the center, and you get this curve on the side next to the keyboard, so it's a comfortable place to rest your arms. So what will I be using this device for then? Well, I will most likely be using this in my home office space. So I will be using this for anything within Microsoft 365, working in PowerPoint, Word, having that great screen as well, connecting it to my docking station so I can easily connect it to my screen, my mouse and my keyboard in a simple way with just one connector. And also having the power to be able to do video editing, do photo editing, anything more or less than I want, working really big Excel sheets as well. And having a PC that still only weighs 1960 grams in this configuration. That was it for me. Thank you guys for watching.